So you really want to be a home inspector? You really, really want to be a home inspector? Let me tell you, it is not what it's all cracked up to be. It's even better. What is the coolest thing about being a home inspector? And I am going to share this with you. Are you ready? It's really all the cool toys I got to play with. Ladders and hats. And check this out. It's a hard hat from Internachi. I act like I'm a cop. Shh. It's the little things in life, I gotta say. And you can always tell a good inspector from a bad inspector by one thing. A good inspector always carries towels and a change of shoes.